Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. We're continuing our search series on the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad, and we're going to learn how to use the Bullion operators today. Now in front of me I have my home screen, and I'm again going to tap on the little magnifying glass in the top right hand corner to open the search menu. I'm going to click inside the search box there, and I'm going to look for David and Jonathan. And when I type in David and Jonathan, you'll notice that when I click on search, it's going to find David and Jonathan within my search results, and there are 73 results. But maybe I want to say, well, I want to find David or Jonathan. So the or operator is the little vertical bar, or the more symbol. So you can see how I've put a vertical bar there, and I've put David space, the more symbol, and then Jonathan. And this is going to mean David or Jonathan. So let's hit enter. And you can see this time I have 3,497 results, because of course David is mentioned many more times in EGW Writings than Jonathan. So this is David or Jonathan. Maybe, however, I want to look for Jonathan and not David. So let's type Jonathan, and this time we're going to enter the exclamation mark, and that stands for the not, and then I'm going to type David. So this time I only find 129. Now there's more than the 73 when it was David and Jonathan, a lot less than the 3,000 odd when I was searching for Jonathan or David, where either one could be mentioned or one or the other. And this time I'm looking only for Jonathan, but where David is mentioned, but I'm not showing him up. So this is the not Jonathan and not David in my phrase search. So they are my three different forms of Bullion operating search that I can perform within the EGW Writings 2 app. Thank you for watching another episode of Tech Tips. I hope that you're enjoying this series and that you're learning a lot. Have a blessed day.